Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm just testing a customer build, in fact, being my 3D printed mini MD500. And isn't she just a beaut? Yes, indeed. So I've had another customer who did print this and crashed it, and was wondering whether the open windows might have caused a draft. I can definitely say not at all. Then he wondered, well, I was thinking if he was wondering if the structure had anything to do with it, because he was getting a toilet bowl effect. So I said also definitely not. So I'm suggesting he needs a compass calibration, because it looks like what he's got is a typical GPS loss, or a compass error, I should say. So I've put the client's Bell 500 internals in. I've set it up exactly like my white one. It's exactly the same, so it should fly identical as usual. I'm in ATI mode over here. I'll just flick this to ATI, and then we should be good to go. But let's just see if we have GPS. Yes, we do. Let's give it a rotate. And we still have GPS. So without further ado, let's hope she holds up. Into ATI. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. Into GPS. So there's a GPS mode there now. Let's give it a bit of altitude. Back to ATI. Just checking for vibrations. It's a fairly windstill day. I think the blades are too tight. Of course, I don't have my Allen key with me now.